Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to prepare mark analysis. This is part 3 of our mark analysis video. And in the part 1 we have learned how to calculate the total, highest mark of your class, lowest mark of your class, all those things. And in the second part we have learned about how to calculate subject average, number of students, those who have got pass, fail, and then average percentage, pass percentage. And in the third video we are going to learn about how to calculate the range. Okay, so how many students, now how many number of students falls in this range based on the marks. And this exam we have conducted for 100 marks. I'll be teaching you how to identify the marks, those who have written for 100 marks. Okay, and if you have done your exams for 20 marks or 50 marks, you can convert your marks into 100, and then you can apply this kind of formula. Okay, and once this formula is set, once this format is set, you can just by copy pasting these marks here, you can get all these things, and even the ranges automatically. Okay, right now let us start. So already I've entered total and number of students absent, which I've got from here, the same reference which I've taught in the previous videos. Now we are going to start with 0 to 33. Okay, so here I'm going to use if condition. Okay, so if the number of range, okay, we are going to use that. So equal to count, I'm just going to count the numbers. Okay, count if, and I'm going to use multiple is, so I'm just mentioning as ifs. Okay, I'm just going to check multiple conditions. Okay, so here count of open bracket, I'm just going to give the range from where to where it should check, that is C4. I'm just using English marks, so it is C4 to C45, comma. Now the range is over. Next we are going to give the criteria. Criteria is nothing but the rule, the condition which is being checked by the Excel. Okay, now the rule is we have to give the rule within double quotation, and the rule is it should be less than or equal to 33. Okay, so this is my condition. Now if I press enter key, I'm getting 2. Okay, now let us check whether this 2 is correct or not by using filter option. I know most of you are using filter option to check the number of students falls between. Okay, so now I'm just going here, selecting number filters, less than 33. Okay, so here I've got 2 students. Yes, my answer is correct. Okay, now I'm just making the clear filter. Okay, so now next we are going to 34 to 40 equal to count if, yes, multiple counts. Okay, so I'm just opening the bracket. Now I'm just going to give the range C4 to C45. As we are calculating all these only for the English subject, it is C, so I'm just giving C45. Now the first condition, it should be between 34 to 40. Okay, so I'm just giving like it should be greater than 33.1. So as 33.1, as we have given 33 in that 0 to 33 range, even 33.1 I'm just adding here with 34. And if you have changes in these decimal points, you can give in the previous one like 33.4, and here you can start with 33.5. Okay, and here is my first condition, comma. Next I'm going to start my second condition, C4 to C45, same range, comma. Now the condition is less than or equal to 40.0. Again I'm saying if it is 40.4, you can use the same. Now my second condition is over. I'm just pressing enter key. I've got only one student. Let us check that. Here I'm just using between 33 to 40. Okay, I'm just clicking on OK. I'm just getting only one student here under English subject. Okay, and here is whatever I've got is correct. Now clear filter, come back here. Let us check for 41 to 50 equal to COUNTIFS, open bracket, C4 to C45. So one time if you do this, you are going to use the same for your entire year. So don't bother about typing the same formula again and again. If you are feeling bored or if you are feeling lazy, you can just copy this, paste it here, double click on it, change only the range. Okay, so here it will say like D4, and you can change from C to D to C, and here the range is like 40.1. So you can just do even like this by copy pasting Okay, and here it must be 50. Okay, yes, 4 students. Now let us check using the filter between 40.1 to 50.0. I'm just clicking OK. So here I'm getting 4 students under C. Yes, same value. Okay, so this is how you can calculate for all the ranges and even for all the subjects. Okay, I'm just making it from D to C, and it is not 40, it is 50 here. Again C45, and here it is 60. That's it, 51 to 63 students. I'm just clearing the filter. I'm going here number filters between 51.0 to 60. Okay, 60.0. Click OK. We'll be getting 3 students. Okay, yes, my answer is correct. Okay, so uh, just to make you clear, I'm just teaching you how to check it even. Okay. Now I'm just adding the fleece. So now I'm done with all the ranges. So now I'm just going to calculate all these things. Yes, if I select this, I'll be getting the sum here, which is saying me that is 42. Okay, so my strength is 42, and no students were absent for this examination. So yes, my calculation is correct. Okay, and in the same way, you can do the same for all your subjects, and you'll be getting the range exactly. Again, I'm saying you no need to do worry about entering these many formulas. Okay, once you completed the one, use save as option, save this in another name with new exam. Okay, there you just delete all these marks, copy and paste the new marks in this place. You will be getting the range, all these options automatically in your new excel sheet also. Okay, and one more tip is, you don't copy the formulas from here. Okay, better use save as, delete these marks and then paste the marks here. Don't copy the formula. Okay, paste the marks from the other sheet to this sheet. Okay, so that you will not get any confusion. Those who are not good with excel, you'll be definitely getting some confusions, like where we have pasted, what we have pasted, all those things. So better you just delete the marks and copy and paste the marks. Don't touch your formulas. Okay, that's all. By here, this analysis is getting over. We'll meet you with a new set of videos, and if you have any idea, and if you have any doubts, and if you wanted me to post some other new topics, videos for new topics, you're always welcome. You may give your comments, you may give your suggestions in the comment box. Okay, thank you. Happy learning.